Hello, and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to connect to the GeoCubes Finland WMS interface in QGIS, as well as how to use the interface itself. If you're not already familiar with GeoCubes Finland, we recommend watching the introduction video linked in the description. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, we'll set the QGIS project to use the Finnish coordinate reference system. Click the current coordinate system in the bottom right corner. Search for the EPSG code 3067 and select the coordinate system that appears on the screen. Let's move on to setting up the WMS interface. You can activate the interface by clicking Layer in the top menu, then selecting Add Layer, and then Add WMS-WMTS Layer. In the window that opens, click New, then enter a name. In the URL field, type the address shown on the screen. We can leave the other settings as they are and move on by clicking OK. Click Connect to connect to the WMS server. This will generate a list of map images covering various themes and different years. To demonstrate, let's load the orthophoto from the year 2022. Set the CRS to EPSG code 3067. After that, enter a descriptive name for the map layer. Then click Add. And just like that, the orthophotos covering the entire area of Finland have loaded into Workspace in seconds. You can zoom in to any desired location. Let's zoom in, for example, to Helsinki Olympic Stadium and observe how quickly the zoom happens and how detailed the image really is. Once connected to the WMS interface, you can also access datasets from the browser panel on the left side. For example, adding buildings is this easy. The GeoCubes WMS interface can be used in various ways. For example, the orthophoto shown on the screen could be used as a background map in cartographic visualizations. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you find the GeoCubes Finland services useful. You can find more videos and information about GeoCubes Finland in the description. Bye, and see you next time.